Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Sorry for the delay and next time I will try to post videos on time. So today I will discuss the interface present in Parrot OS. So Parrot OS has two interfaces. First one is GUI, that means graphical user interface, and second one is CLI, command line interface. So today I will explain GUI. I want my users clear from the base. So today we are starting GUI. So what is GUI? It stands for Graphical User Interface. It is human computer interaction in which we communicate with computer using mouse. In this generally we use graphics, image and icons. For the sake, let's take an example. Now I want to go to the documents folder using graphical user interface. So first we have to click on this file menu and then click on this document option. Then as you can see we are now in the document folder. The process by which we enter to the documents folder is a part of graphical user interface. After that we'll see the advantages and disadvantages of graphical user interface. First one is it is user friendly. Easy to explore means we can easily navigate the files and folders. Do not have to learn complicated commands, but in CLI you have to learn some commands to navigate files based on graphical representation. It is also known as multi-user operating system. So what is multi-user operating system? That means it allows multiple users to accessing the single machine at a time. So we'll see some disadvantage of GUI. Take up a much larger amount of hard disk space. So it takes much larger amount of hard disk space as compared to CLI. Use more processing power, need more RAM. It's all about GUI. In the next video, I'll explain command line interface. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.